Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to show you how to get the latest version of AutoClicker on your iOS devices. This update is the best so far and is compatible with any game. All you need to do is enable the first option, just like I did, and AutoClicker will handle the rest. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire setup process, step by step, making it easy for you to get AutoClicker up and running on your device. Before we get started, let's go through a couple of essential steps specifically for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation instructions. First, open your device settings and go to General. Tap on Background App Refresh and make sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting allows the app to update and function properly in the background. Next, go back to the Settings menu and select Battery. Ensure that low power mode is turned off. Disabling this option is important as it can affect the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to proceed with the app installation. Let's get started. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to Apriliab.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for AutoClicker and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading and installing the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If the message doesn't appear, it might mean the server needs updating and additional files need to be downloaded. Don't worry, this step is straightforward, with clear instructions provided on the screen. Once this step is completed, the system will download the necessary files, and the installation will be finalized. I've already installed it myself, and everything works seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. This is the entire process for getting AutoClicker on iOS devices. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it, and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks and see you soon.